Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find winning products using Facebook Ads Library. Many people recommend using paid spy tools to discover trending products, but these tools often come with limitations. Today, I'll share a free and effective alternative that leverages Facebook Ads Library. To get started, open a web browser and make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. Being logged in is important because you won't be able to view ads in the ads library without it. Once you're logged in, navigate to this link, facebook.com/ads/library. This will take you to the Facebook Ads Library page. Once you're there, click on the Filters option to refine your search. Set the filters based on your preferences. First, choose the country whose ads you want to explore. For this example, I'll select the United States. Next, select all ads under the ad category. You can adjust these settings depending on your research goals. Now, enter a keyword or product name in the search bar. For example, if you're interested in selling hair-related products, type in hair. A variety of ads related to that keyword will appear. You can now see what products people are actively promoting. To identify a winning product, pay close attention to ads that appear repeatedly. Similarly, if you see the same product being promoted by different pages, it suggests strong demand for that product. These are good indicators to guide your selection. If you don't find promising products immediately, don't worry. Look at the ad copies of the current ads for relevant keywords or ideas. You can use those keywords to refine your search further. For example, if you notice a popular phrase or theme, enter it into the search bar to uncover additional ads. As you keep searching, focus on products you see repeatedly being promoted. The more frequently you encounter a product, the higher the likelihood that it's performing well. You can also use generic phrases like flat 50% off to explore a broader range of product ideas. By default, Facebook Ads Library may show both active and inactive ads in your search results. To maximize your chances of finding winning products, focus on active ads. Active ads are currently running, which means the advertisers are still investing in them. To do this, click on the filters again. Under the media type, select Video, and under the ad status, choose Active. Then click Apply. These settings ensure you only see active video ads, which are highly relevant for finding successful products. For even more precise results, you can further customize the filters. Options include choosing specific languages, advertiser platforms, and additional media types. Tailoring these settings helps you avoid irrelevant ads and focus on the ones that matter. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.